What is a normal day like for children in the Philippines? Through the eyes of Chema and Ingo, we showcase the heart of Filipino culture one adventure at a time. The Adventures of Gemma and Ingo is a bilingual picture book series targeted for children ages 5 to 9. It's a celebration of everyday life in the Philippines, complete with Filipino values, language, and vibrant manga inspired illustrations. We hope that these modern illustrations will attract children, encouraging them to read and get into the habit of reading. The stories are written in Filipino with English translations on every page. These stories are designed to spark curiosity, inspire reading, and promote cultural pride. Children of this generation have so much more access to information. Their curiosity about the world is not limited to where they live. They want to know how things are like in other parts of the world. Gemma and Ingo are relatable characters that will give children everywhere a glimpse of what it is like to be a kid in the Philippines. They will have the chance to see differences as well as similarities in common values like discipline, respect, and the value of education and family, to name a few. The Frankfurt Book Fair is the world's largest book fair. It's a gateway for us to connect with publishers and distributors. By sharing Gemma and Ingo's stories here, we can bring Filipino culture to children worldwide. I am Rhea Cruz. I'm one of the authors of the book. I have spent the past 30 years in corporate jobs prior to an early retirement in 2023 after I was diagnosed with cancer. I am now a part-time professional lecturer at De La Salle University. I have always been passionate about children's education, and I hope that creating this book will take me one step closer to really making an impact in that advocacy. My co-author is Jane Vergara. She is a full-time Chief Information Officer in one of the banks in the Philippines. Her real passion, though, is in writing. Her adventure fantasy trilogy, Breaking the Scroll, published in 2022, is now being translated to Bahasa Indonesia for release in Indonesia, targeted in October of this year. Last year, she published a romance novel titled The Gap Between Forever, with a film company already interested in adapting it to the big screen. With the National Book Development Board support, we can showcase Filipino storytelling on the global stage. Together, let us inspire children, foster a love for reading, and share the richness of our culture with the world. Help us bring the adventures of Gemma and Ingo to children everywhere.